Good morning, everybody. It is the first official day of Vlogmas, which means you get a video every day, or a live stream, I guess, a video every day from me until Christmas. So hello, happy Vlogmas. That means you guys are my best friends for 25 days. So very excited to do Vlogmas again in 2020, which is gonna be an interesting year because we got situations. Really the only time we're like actually going out is like either emergency shopping or dog walks. So you guys saw a little bit of my morning pandemic routine. That's really what I do every morning. I like prepare the house for like us being in it all day, make the bed, clean the bathroom a little bit, clean the living room, just fresh start every day just to keep things a little bit normal. I have a video to edit that goes up on Thursday, and then, or actually tomorrow, and then because the one that goes up on Thursday is already edited. I did them backwards, I don't know. And then I have some emails to send out, I have some things to write, and then but first, before I do that, I have to take the dog out for a walk and grab some breakfast. I think I'm not gonna cook today. I'm just gonna grab breakfast. There's a place where you can just grab stuff outside. It's great. And then it's Cyber Monday today, so I think I'm gonna do a little shopping. I mean, it's not for like, it's nothing exciting. It's mainly just like tech stuff, like gear, and maybe like, I don't know, some shirts or underwear. So I'm gonna like do that. Hopefully by the time I finish all that, it'll be like noontime, and then maybe I can get back to some more Animal Crossing. I don't know. But since it's the first day of Vlogmas, I always like to decorate for Christmas today. So I'm very excited to get the Christmas decorations out of storage and put them up all around the house. We don't have that many because I was not a Christmas decorator, a holiday decorator, until a couple of years ago. So we just have a small collection, but I'm willing to put them up, and I'm very excited to put them up anyway. All right, it's time for a dog walk. Clover, are you ready? Clover, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Wanna go for a walk? Yeah? Let's go for walks! Come on! Yay! If you've never seen how excited Clover is to go outside, you're missing out. All right, you ready to go for a walk? Come on, yes! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You ready to go outside? Yeah? Okay. What are you gonna do out there? Why are you so excited? Can you sit? Yes, thank you. We're working on our manners a little bit. Okay, elevator's open, you can't go in right away. Okay, you gotta wait for me. All right, ready? Let's go. Good boy. Can you sit again? Sit. Thank you. Okay, so much time has passed. I have finished editing, making thumbnails, description, tags, and everything scheduled to the videos for the gaming channel this week, so those are ready to go up. It's like 3 o'clock, and I feel like I've not anything done. I ordered groceries. It's probably a bad time to order groceries when you're super hungry because I ordered so much food. I know we're gonna eat it, but like, it just was like excessive. It's coming tomorrow morning. So tonight I think we're gonna make pasta. I was gonna make chili, but it's gonna be pasta tonight because we didn't get our grocery delivery till tomorrow. So, but now is finally the time where I can get out the holiday decorations for the year. I'm very excited because we did not get to put up our tree last year. So I'm gonna like, I'm so excited.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes.
Okay, first of all, look at this sweet little nugget who has found himself a new bed on the tree bag. Anyway, there's the tree. It is up, but it leans it leans to one side slightly, so I'm trying to turn it and adjust it and like mess with it so that it's as straight as it can be. Right now it's not bad, but I think I'm gonna mess with it a little bit more and fluff it out a little bit more. And some of the lights weren't coming on. The lights look uneven now that I'm looking at it in the viewfinder. So I'm gonna fluff it and mess with it some more until it's perfect. Okay, I've straightened the tree. I like turned it all of a sudden and it became much straighter. It's still like not perfect. So you can see it's still like kind of raw, but it looks better than it was before. Now that I'm looking at it through this lens, it doesn't look good. Well, you know what? It's just because it's kind of like a pencil shape. And see, it looks good this way, like up and down. It doesn't matter. We're gonna decorate it anyway. I got all the lights to come on. Some of the lights were not on in the beginning and I was like, what? But now that all the lights are on, see, it's like not really, there's not a lot of lights in this area. That's what's weird about it. Maybe I can mess with that a little bit, but we've got our little baby tree. What is this? Like a tree skirt that I got from Target like a few years ago. And I decorated the table a little bit because we don't have a mantle or, you know, fireplace and that, but we have this. So we got our little stockings here. I thought that was kind of cute. Also, check this out. Look at how beautiful that bloom is on that Christmas cactus. Well, she's a Thanksgiving cactus, but like, look at her. And there's more to come. There's like more buds back there, but this was the first one to come out. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at that. And then we've got the art on the TV, of course, but on the, what is this? The console. I cannot talk today. We've got just a couple of subtle winter decorations. Nothing big, nothing, you know, huge, just something fun. We've got the biggest jingle bells you've ever seen in your entire life, just kind of scattered about everywhere. And we've got our brush bottle trees from Target that I got a couple years ago. I think they're so cute. Glitter everywhere though, be careful. Oh my gosh, there's one back here too. Very glittery, a glittery mess. And we've got more brush bottle trees here with the jingle bells. And in my Monstera, I put some lights. So it's like subtle Monstera, like Christmas vibes. I really am enjoying it. By the way, well, it's like nighttime, so it doesn't look like art anymore, but that is, I love that. I want that real piece of art. It's so beautiful. Clover's contemplating the meaning of life over here. Hey, buddy. Are you okay? Are you okay? You're so sweet. Such a sweet baby. All right, so I put the ornaments here, and since we don't have our comfort food, we're just gonna save this tree decorating thing for tomorrow night, which is okay. It's okay. And I'm totally okay with that, because that gives me time to just relax a little, edit this vlog, get it up for you tomorrow, and get ready for our food delivery in the morning. And there's a bunch of other stuff I need to do tomorrow too that I didn't get done today. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 1. I can't believe it. And I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh wait, this one. These are out. Oh, they came on. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How? Why? How?